All right, let's talk money. Specifically, let's talk about growing your money with Acorns. But before we dive into the nitty-gritty of investing, let's tackle a burning question. Do you actually need a bank account to use Acorns? Now, I know what you're thinking. Acorns, investing, money, it all sounds a bit intimidating. But trust me, it doesn't have to be. Acorns is designed to be as user-friendly as possible, and that includes making it easy to get started. So, back to the question at hand, do you need a bank account? Short answer, kind of. Let's break it down. Acorns is essentially a micro-investing app. It takes your spare change from purchases and invests it in a diversified portfolio. To do this, it needs a steady stream of funds to work with. Traditionally, this has meant linking your bank account. The app automatically rounds up your purchases to the nearest dollar and invests the difference. Easy peasy, right? But here's the thing, Acorns has evolved. They understand that not everyone is comfortable linking their bank account. So, they've introduced other options. For instance, you can link a debit card. It works pretty much the same way. Acorns rounds up your purchases and invests the difference. It's a great option if you're concerned about security or simply prefer to keep your banking and investing separate. Now, if you're someone who likes to have full control over your finances, you might opt for manual deposits. This means you manually transfer money into your Acorns account whenever you want. No bank account, no debit card, just your money and your goals. It's a bit more hands-on, but it gives you complete flexibility. So, to recap, do you need a bank account for Acorns? Not necessarily. But it's certainly one of the easiest ways to get started. The good news is, Acorns offers multiple options to suit different preferences and comfort levels. But wait, there's more. Once you've figured out how to fund your Acorns account, you might be wondering what happens next. How does the investing actually work? What kind of returns can you expect? And is Acorns really as safe as it claims to be? Don't worry, we'll cover all that in upcoming videos. But for now, let's focus on getting you started on your investing journey. Whether you choose a bank account, a debit card, or manual deposits, the important thing is to take that first step. Remember, even small amounts can add up over time. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.